Here we are, day 3 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. So in order for me to receive this golden Halloween themed trophy, I have to find a design, slice it, print it, film it, edit it, and upload it daily in the month of October. Today we have a pumpkin and a stormtrooper fused together as one little 3D design. Let's see how this unfolds. So here's a size comparison of the 3D design. It is pretty small, and I'm really going with just the standard, everything that is set in Cura, the standard slicing method, the standard infill levels, and stuff like that, as I just don't have a grasp of the idea of, what to pick and choose from, but I am going to be working on it in the coming days, hopefully. But it's a cute little stormtrooper on the front with a pumpkin on the back. It's got that little polygon look to it, and it's not too bad, but this one would have been nice to do a little bit bigger, or a lot bigger. It's a good little decoration piece to have laid anywhere. Get that orange pumpkin going, and then color in some of the eye spots and where the black goes. But other than that, it's pretty neat, especially if you use white filament. But that's all I have to say for today's video. Here we go, and looking for tomorrow's video. I'll give you all a hint. It is Spider-Man themed, so be on the lookout for that, and leave a link in the comment section below with any other prints you guys think that's going to be coming this month. And majority of our prints are coming from Thingiverse. Every design that we use will be linked in the description box below. Let them know Cosine Additive has sent you, and we'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. And if you guys did enjoy today's video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel.